Pop-On Veneers is the best and easiest way to get the smile you deserve.
You'll receive the impression kit. The impression kit will have everything you need to make teeth molds at home.
After you make your impressions, you'll ship them to Pop-On Lab in New York City using the prepaid label that's attached to your box.
Come on in, I'll show you how your smile's made.
After you create the molds in the comfort of your own home, you ship them to us, Pop-On, and then the magic begins. Our designers make your smile 100% custom made just for you. We create 3D models of your teeth so our designers can take care of any missing teeth, gaps, or chips.
And we'll create a beautiful custom-made smile just for you. Your veneers will be shipped to your home in the color of your choice. You'll get a box of goodies and a new smile. Welcome to the Pop-On family.